Good morning children, this is Sumalatha, Math teacher of KAKATIYA Public School. Today we are going to learn the new topic, area. Yeah children, how can they define the area here? Area means the amount or space of a surface, of a closed figure is called its area. So how we can define the area here? The amount or the space of a surface of a closed figure is called its surface area. Means whatever we are taking the object or surface, plane shape children, 2D shape. For example, circular. So circle I am taking, rectangle, that all are there, no? 2D shapes or 3D shapes. So whatever the surface here, so whatever the surface, the space is occupying by the closed figure. Means for example, I am taking a circle here. Okay, it's a closed figure, no? So if I am keeping this object in a surface, so some space it occupies, no? For example, this space, it is occupying on that surface, it is occupying this much space, means the space which is occupying by the surface, so it is called its area children. So this means nothing but area means inner space of the object. So area means whatever the space which is occupying by the object, that is called the area children, nothing but inner the space which is occupying by the object. Now children, area of rectangle. Rectangle means everyone know the shape of the rectangle. This is the shape of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle. In this, what measurements we will take here? Length and it is breadth. So what is the area of the rectangle formula here? L into breadth. Means length into breadth. And what are the measures for the area of a rectangle or any object? We are taking here square units. These are the measures for the areas of the object, square units. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth, square units. Area of square children. Square means what here? Here you can see the square shape. This is the square shape children here. So how we can find the area of the square here? A means I am taking, why? Because square is all sides same no here. So all sides came no here. So how we can write the area of a square? Here A square units. A square units means we need to multiply into A 2 times. A square nothing but we need to multiply here into A, nothing but A square units. Yes children, let's find the area of the given shapes here. What are these shapes here? Which shapes I gave here? Rectangular shape. Now what is the area of a rectangle here? Formula in the before only I gave you here. Area of rectangle is L into B square units. L into B square unit. Measures are square units. Now here in the given figure, they given length value as 5 centimeters. You can see here children. So 5 centimeters into, and breadth. The breadth value they given as 3 centimeters. Okay. Now here 5 threes are 15. 5 threes are 15. And square units, now here units nothing but which measures are given in the question. Here which measures are given here? Centimeters. So square centimeters. You can take like this or else centimeter square. So area of the given rectangle is 15 square centimeters. Coming to this problem, children, observe carefully. Here they given length and here they given breadth. Nothing but the given shape is rectangular shape. Come on, let's find the area of given rectangle here. Area of rectangle is equals to L into breadth square units. So here L into breadth square units. Length is given as 2.5 centimeters into breadth is given as 7.3 centimeters. So let's multiply 2.5 and 7.3 here. 2.5 and 7.3. Later on we can keep the decimal point, children. First we will multiply here. 3 5s are 15. 5 1 carry. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. Now coming to next to second tens digit. 7 5s are 35. 5 3 carry on it. Now 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3 15 16 17. So 17 here I am writing. Let's add this 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 carry. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 1. And here 1 digit before. Now we will keep the decimal point, children. 1 digit before point in the first number, 1 digit before point in the second number. Means total 2 digits before point we need to keep in the answer. 1 2 here. Means nothing but 18.25. 18.25 centimeters square. Or else you can write square centimeters. Yes, children. Now the given shapes are square shapes, children. Come on, let's find the area of the given squares here. So here solution, and before only I told you here area of square. What is the formula for area of square here? A square, or you can take A into A. So A square, square units. So A square, square units. A nothing but, children. Here you can take A as the given side length. So 1.2 centimeters. Okay. Now 1.2 centimeters whole square. Nothing but here 1.2 centimeters into 1.2 centimeters. Let's multiply the 1.2 into 1.2 here, children. 1.2 into 1.2. 12 table. Later on you can keep the decimal number. Here you can take the 12 table. 12 2s are 24. 4 and 2 carry. 12 1s are 12. Directly 12 table are multiplying, children. 12 1s are 12 and 13 14. And here how many digits point we need to keep here? 1 digit before in the first number, 1 digit before in the second number. Means total 2 digits before. Here 2 digits before I am keeping point here. Nothing but I got here 1.44 square centimeters or centimeter square. Coming, so area of the given square is 1.44 square centimeters or centimeter square. Coming to this problem, children, here the side length has given as 3.8 centimeters. So I am taking here 3.8 centimeters of side length. So here area of square, area of square. So what is the area of the square here? A square, square units. So A square, square units. A value has given 3.8, children. So 3.8 centimeters whole square. 3.8 centimeters whole square. Nothing but here 3.8 centimeters into 3.8 centimeters. So here let's multiply 3.8 into 3.8 here. Now 8 8s are 64. So 4 here, 6 I am taking as a carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus this carry. So 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. When I am adding carry, I am getting here 30 children. Now I am multiplying with the tens digit. So we need to leave the place here, ones place. So 3 8s are 24. 24 means 4 here and 2 carry. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus this carry. 10, 11. So 11 I am taking here. Now let's add these numbers. 4. 0 plus 4 nothing but again 4. Now 3 plus 1. So 4 and here 1. And here let's keep the point here. In the first number decimal 1 digit before point we have. In the second number 1 digit before point. Means total 2 digits before point we need to keep in the answer. Nothing but here 14.44 centimeters square. Means area of the given shape is 14.44 centimeters square. Yes, then I think you understood the concept of area on area of squares and area of rectangle. Come on, here I give worksheet on that topic. Now find the area of given shapes. Which shapes I have given here? 2 rectangles I gave and 2 squares I gave children. You need to find the area of these first 2 rectangles and area of next 2 squares. Thank you children.